Bernelle here, and in today's video it's gonna be pretty chill. So today's video is basically gonna be centered around me drawing, finishing up some drawings, and then also in the clip that's coming up right after this, I'm going to be unboxing some mail that I've received from my friends, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Like, honestly, it's just so exciting for me, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys right now. So this first package right here, this is from my friend Martina here on YouTube, and also my friend in real life. She is so sweet. Like, literally, I say this about all of my friends, but she just has such a refreshing personality about her. But yeah, she sent me this necklace, and like, it came in this really cute packaging that has strawberries on it. You guys know that I love strawberries, so when I saw that, I was like already sold. And then she even included some stickers as well, like this sticker right here. It's a latte. I love latte art. Like, that's a hidden obsession of mine. Like, I just love looking at latte art. And then she also included a little cactus sticker, you know, plant mom vibes. And then I think there was another sticker as well, but it was stuck to the back of the post-it note. But then, guys, look at this necklace. I was struggling to take it out because I cut myself like 10 minutes before I filmed this. So yeah, I was struggling. But guys, look at the necklace. Do you see that? She used hand-pressed flowers, like actual real flowers that she pressed and put in resin and stuff, and it was just so cute. I haven't worn it yet because I wanted to, you know, show you guys first before I start wearing it. But yeah, that is the first package. Next up, we have our second package. So as you can see, I recorded these unboxings on different days. But this package was actually sent to me. Wait, hold up. This package, why did I almost like mentally collapse for a second? This package was sent to me by Michelle. You guys know, I've already told you all about Michelle. She is another one of my friends here on YouTube, and she sent me so many things. Like, I think I ordered the print that you will see in this package, but the rest of the stuff was just freebies. But yeah, I ordered this print, and honestly, the quality is just so good. Like, everything was just perfect, and she even included a handwritten note just for me. So yeah, that was really cool, like, to just see the amount of hard work and effort that she put in to her packaging. And then she also included some top secret items in here that I didn't even know I was getting. So I will show you guys in a second. I think I was struggling to figure out how to unwrap it because I didn't want to rip what was inside. But here it comes. Dun 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 dun. Keychains. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this, but in the original clip, like before I edited the clip, you could hear me just say like, whoa, because I wasn't expecting that at all. But honestly, the quality of the keychain, well, all 3 of the keychains were just amazing. And I personally think that this keychain that I'm holding kind of looks like me. Obviously, you guys don't really know what my face looks like. Well, some of you do, but most of you don't know what I look like in real life. But I think that's pretty close to what I look like, at least in my head. But now that I've unboxed both of these packages, I just wanted to say a special thank you to Martina and Michelle. You both have just been so sweet and kind to me throughout my YouTube endeavors and everything, and I'm just so glad that we were able to find each other and be friends and like just support each other, because having a good support system on YouTube is so important, and I feel like YouTubers can take that for granted sometimes. So I really want you both, and also anyone who's watching this video, to know that I truly love and appreciate every single one of you. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I will be popping back in towards the end of the video with an announcement, or I might even pop in like during the drawing part to chat a little bit. But yeah, for now I'm gonna let you guys just enjoy the rest of the video, and I will talk to you in a few minutes. Okay, bye.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 We should breathe slow.
Hey guys, it's me, Bernelle here, and I am back as promised. So I know some of you are dying to know what this top secret, super duper special announcement is, and honestly, I have two. Well, I guess I have one. So as you all know or have seen, I'm really close to 100 subscribers, and first of all, that in itself is still mind-blowing to me because I never thought that I would have this many subscribers so quickly. Like, I only started my channel a couple months ago, maybe about 3 or 4 months ago, so this is just insane for me, and I'm truly grateful to all 93 or 94 of you. Like, I've gotten to know so many of you on a personal level. A lot of you have become my friends in real life. Some of you have actually secretly been my friends this whole time, and I didn't know that you lived in my area, so that was crazy to me, like, finding out that a lot of people I know, like, in my area watch my videos. But honestly, thank you guys so much. Like, you've all just been so sweet and supportive of me, and I'm truly appreciative of that. So the announcement that I was going to share is that once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing a Q&A video. I'm going to be doing a Q&A probably in the next 2 weeks, depending on if I, of course, hit 100 subscribers by then. But yeah, stay tuned for that. But yeah, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, you guys know what to do. I love you all so much, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.